Southside tree-lined lot gives you the country feeling. This ranch offers 3 bedrooms and 1.5 baths and attached 2-car garage. Updates include flooring, light fixtures, some woodwork, some painting and updated half-bath plus a newly finished large lower-level family room. Has nice size living room with wood fireplace. Semi-open concept to the kitchen/dining with large pantry and small island. The recreation room with built-in bar opens to a small den with one wall painted block. Show anytime this Friday, 21st, Sat, 22nd, and Sunday, 23, last showing Sun 6 p.m, offers due Monday, May 24th by noon.